After the Nexon and Altroz, Punch becomes the third Tata car to be awarded 5-star safety rating by the Global NCAP. The Punch given 4 stars by the child occupants and it gets full 5-star rating for the adult occupants. The body shell of the Punch has been rated as stable and capable of withstanding further loadings. The Tata scored 16.45 points of the maximum 17 for adult occupants. Surprisingly, the 16.45 is the highest score achieved by any Indian car, more than the Altroz and the Mahindra XUV 300. Coming to the child safety, the SUV earned 40.89 out of maximum 49 points, giving it 4-star score in this category. Like the Tata Altroz, the Punch also underpins the Alpha architecture, which once again proves that the platform is designed with safety as the first priority. The Punch is expected to go on sale from 18th of October following the price reveal. After announcing their excitement towards Tata Motors, the officials of Global NCAP revealed their disappointment towards other manufacturers of India who failed to do so the safety as priority. And we all know who they are talking about.